Good morning, welcome to Muscle Car Garage. This week at Muscle Car Garage, we got a variety of cars we're working on. This one right here is a Shelby Cobra 427 Quadrajet manual. This is obviously a replica. On this car, what we're doing on it, we did a complete tune-up, new plugs, oil change. Car came in, was sitting for a while, so the Quadrajet the two 4-barrel carburetors, the float gets stuck, the jets get clogged, so we took the carburetors out. We're going to send them out, get the carburetors redone. It also came in with a antifreeze leak at the lower radiator hose, so what we're going to do is we're going to put all brand new clamps. The radiator was just done by another shop, so we're going to take care of that for the customer. And it's got a couple of minor leaks, so we're going to take care of that as well. Take a good look at this beautiful Shelby Cobra. It's one iconic type body style. It's a beautiful car. On this car right here, this is a 1957 T-Bird. We just finished an engine on it. Car came in with the tie rod ends. The stabilizer bushings need to be replaced. So Darren's here. He's going to be doing stabilizer bar bushings on this car. Also, the power steering lines are leaking, so we're going to put brand new power steering lines on it. Car was just done, beautiful car, and this car should be done this week. Right here we have a shark body Corvette C3 Series Corvette. This is one hell of a car. This is a 427 tri-power. We're going to do a heater core on this, and we're going to take the radiator out. See if we can salvage the radiator by sending it out. They're going to boil the radiator and see if there's any clogs in there and if there's any issues with the radiator. If not, we're going to have to put a brand new radiator in this car. And we're going to do the heater core. It's going to be a little extensive doing the heater core on these cars because the whole dash has to come out and it's, extensive. Right here, we just took in this 2009 Pontiac G8. It's number 11. It's a Firehawk, number 11. So this car is going to be going into the showroom soon, and we're going to be selling this. And this is a 1969 GTO 400 V8 with a 4-speed manual, black on black. Really a beautiful car. So if you want to come and visit us, we're at 7 Industrial Parkway in Livingston, New Jersey. Our website is www.musclegarage.com, and our phone number is 973-758-8944. Have a good day.